Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, days after a travel advisory, Jamaica has issued a travel ban to and from China, joining countries across the globe which have implemented similar measures. This as more than 100 people in 22 countries other than China have tested positive for the virus.
Now in China, there are more than 8,000 cases. Additionally, airlines in Europe, Asia, and North America are canceling flights to and from China. The development comes after the World Health Organization's declaration Thursday that the coronavirus is now a global health emergency.
The Ministry of Health held a press conference today in Ocho St. Anne. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has the story.
As concerns heighten about the novel coronavirus, which has so far killed over 200 persons in China, and the World Health Organization on Thursday declaring it a global health emergency, a response on Friday from the local authorities.
Jamaica has imposed a ban on travel to and from China in wake of the World Health Organization declaration of the novel coronavirus as a global health emergency.
The travel ban comes after a travel advisory was issued.
Today, we're announcing a much more severe restriction, which would mean that the government could deny access to the country for persons who are engaged or who have traveled to China.
It appears, though, that even with the ban, people would still be allowed to enter the country from China. But
all persons entering the island from China will be subject to immediate quarantine for a minimum of 14 days. Quarantine facilities for these persons will be provided by the government of Jamaica, and persons will be required to adhere to all restrictions in line with the provisions under the Quarantine Act. Individuals returning from China who have been granted landing privileges and who show any symptom of the novel coronavirus will be put in immediate isolation.
Dr. Tufton said isolation areas are at all public hospitals and as specialist facilities available at the National Chest Hospital. He advised Jamaicans to desist from traveling to China at the moment and said if they do, they too will be subject to quarantine upon return. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.